If you've been struggling to manage your blood sugar or stubborn weight, this might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. And here's why. CelluCare has already helped thousands of men and women balance their blood sugar, boost their energy, and finally take control of their health. All from the comfort of home. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out. All right, guys, let's be honest. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels isn't easy. One day you're eating clean, and the next you're feeling drained, craving sugar, or reaching for snacks you promised yourself you'd avoid. Been there? Yeah, same here. That's exactly where CelluCare steps in. It's a natural supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar levels, increase vitality, and promote overall wellness without relying on strict diets or harsh routines. But is CelluCare really worth it, or is it just another supplement with big promises? Well, today, we're breaking down everything you need to know: what CelluCare is, how it works, what's inside it, and whether it's worth your money. Before we dive in, if you're already curious, I'll leave the official CelluCare website link right below this video. That's where you'll find verified reviews, ingredient details, special discounts, and their full 60-day money-back guarantee. So, what exactly is CelluCare? CelluCare is marketed as a natural blood sugar and metabolism support formula. It's built around powerful plant-based ingredients that help maintain healthy glucose levels, reduce fatigue, and improve energy. It helps awaken your body's natural ability to balance blood sugar, something that can fade with age, stress, or diet imbalances. Let's take a look at some of the key ingredients that make CelluCare so unique. Turmeric rhizome helps support healthy blood sugar levels and fight inflammation. Cocoa bean extract promotes healthy blood flow and improves energy naturally. Eleuthero, also known as Siberian ginseng, it increases energy and reduces fatigue. Gymnema sylvester, a powerful herb known to support heart health and control sugar cravings. Juniper berry supports healthy blood pressure and overall circulation. Pine bark extract, rich in antioxidants to support your body's inflammatory response. Banaba leaf aids digestion and heart health. Butcher's broom promotes healthy blood flow and vascular support. Together, these natural ingredients form a gentle yet powerful blend designed to help your body stabilize sugar, boost blood health, and increase vitality. What's more, CelluCare is 100% natural, plant-based, and produced in the USA under strict standards, so you can feel confident about what you're putting into your body. Now here's the thing. For real, lasting results, consistency is key. You need to use CelluCare every day for at least 3 full months and ideally 6 months for the best outcome. That's how your body absorbs the nutrients and starts restoring balance naturally. And the best part? The creators of CelluCare stand behind their product with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't see improvements in your energy or blood sugar, you can request a full refund, even if the bottles are empty. Honestly, though, judging by the thousands of 5-star reviews, you'll probably be glad you gave it a try. Most users report feeling more energetic, more balanced, and overall healthier within just a few weeks. So, if you're ready to support healthy blood sugar, regain energy, and take control of your well-being, CelluCare might just be the solution you've been looking for. Check out the official CelluCare website through the link below for special discounts, bonuses, and free shipping offers while they last. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest supplement reviews. See you next time.